Hey beauties, welcome back to 4C Hair Queen. Today we will be doing a very easy and very popular hairstyle called box braids. It is very simple. You part the hair to the desired box style. You split the hair into 3 sections. Now you have the left side, the middle, and the right side. Basically, all you do is cross over. You take one section from the right side, cross over and under. One from the left side, cross over and under. Then you just continue the same procedure, and as you continue, make sure you get a good grip on the braid. Don't loosen it. If you loosen it, your braid will be very loose. Hold it tightly, have a good grip, and just continue. Cross over and under, cross over and under. And then there you have it, a beautiful, neat, tight box braid. Please be advised, when you are braiding 4C hair, sometimes the tip of that hair may be a little bit tangled. Now you just go in there with your comb or your brush and gently detangle it. Okay, ladies? Now that you are at the end of your braid, you will split that braid into 2 sections. For all 4C natural hair, ladies, please follow this quick tip. Split the hair into 2 sections and do a quick twist. That will help you when it's time to unplait the hair. When it's time to take that hair down, you will get less tangling. Okay, girls? Okay, ladies? Okay, hair queens? You will thank me later. This was just a short tutorial and we have gotten to the end of it. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe, join the family, and all of my existing subscribers, hey ladies! And guys, with that being said, I will see you in the next video. 4C Hair Queen.